What's the meaning of colonnade? Colonnade. Colonnade.
Colonnade. Colonnade. A colonnade is a series of columns evenly spaced and arranged in a row, usually supporting a roof or other structure. It's a common architectural element that has been used for thousands of years. A colonnade can be found in many different types of buildings, such as temples, public buildings, and even residential homes. It's often used to create a sense of grandeur or elegance, particularly in classical architecture. The repetitive pattern of columns creates a visual rhythm that draws the eye and creates a sense of order.